Tired of Jira spamming you with updates on issues you don't care about? Learn how to remove watchers in 30 seconds and reclaim your inbox. I will show you exactly where to find the watcher list and how to remove anyone with just one click. Let us dive in. Start by logging into your Jira account. You are going to want to be on the main dashboard here. This is where everything lives, and it is the easiest place to start navigating. If you are already signed in, great, we are good to go. Next, navigate to your project using the left side panel. Look at that column on the left-hand side of your screen. You will see a list of all your recent projects. Click on the one you need. If you have been getting notifications from a specific project, this is probably the one. Find it, give it a click, and it will open up right in front of you. Now, click on the specific issue you want to manage watchers for. Inside your project, you will see your board or your backlog. Scroll through and find the task that is causing the clutter. Maybe it is a ticket you were tagged on months ago, or a project that wrapped up but the notifications did not. Click on that issue to open it up. This opens the detailed view where we can actually make the change. On the right side panel, locate the eye icon at the top. Take a look over at the right-hand sidebar. At the very top, you should see a small icon that looks like an eye. This is the watcher count. In my experience, this is the spot that a lot of people pass right over. They are looking for a settings menu or some hidden page, but the watcher control is right here in plain sight. Hover over it and you will see the word Watchers pop up. Go ahead and click that eye icon. This opens the list of all current watchers for this issue. A small window will appear, and now you can see every single person who is watching this issue. You might see your own name in there, along with colleagues, managers, or people who were added automatically when the ticket was created. This is the full picture. Now you know exactly who is getting those updates, and who might be just as done with them as you are. Finally, click the X icon next to any watcher to remove them. This part is incredibly simple. Next to each person's name, you will see a small X. Just click it. That is it. They are removed instantly. There's no confirmation box, no "Are you sure?" pop-up. One click and they are out. No more notifications for that person on this issue. You can do this for as many people as you need to. Clean up the whole list at once if you want. And that is really all there is to it. You have gone from being buried under irrelevant notifications to having a clean, focused watch list that only contains the issues that actually matter to you. Next time you are getting swamped with Jira emails for a task you wrapped up months ago, you now know exactly how to fix it in about 30 seconds. Thanks for watching.